Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again, Our Arts. Today I just received my new drawing kit and super excited about it. Let's check it out.
Look at what we have here. Now let's get to know each of these tools. We have a range of graphite pencils starting from 5H to 8B. So these are the range of graphite pencils. And here you can see we have a woodless graphite pencil in 6B and 3 charcoal pencils and a paper cutter pencil holder, 3 paper stumps, plastic eraser, charcoal sticks, graphite sticks, kneaded eraser, and this is a sandpaper block. We have 2 pencil sharpeners as well, one silver sharpener and a black sharpener. First of all, let's study why there are so much pencils in different grades and what are these grades. Basically, there are two main grades of pencils, H pencils and B pencils. H pencils are mostly used for sketching while B pencils are mostly used for shading. Now I'll show you why. Let's start with the 5H pencil. You can see that H pencils are very light. That's why we use these pencils for sketching. Here the H in H pencils stands for hard. The harder the pencil, the less graphite is deposited on the paper. That means the higher the number on these pencils, the lighter the mark it makes. That's why the 5H pencil is the lightest and most delicate one here. Now let's review the B pencils. These B pencils are excellent for shading. Here we have HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, and 8B. The B in B pencils stands for black or bold. Here it's the opposite of H pencils, which means the higher the number like 6B or 8B, the dark and softer the mark will be. Next we have a woodless graphite pencil in grade 6B. Woodless 6B is way darker than graphite 6B. But right now, why we can't clearly see that is because of the shine of the graphite. Once I adjust the paper like this, now we can clearly see the difference. Woodless 6B pencil is made of 100% pure graphite without any other filler materials. On the other hand, the traditional 6B graphite pencil is mixed with other materials like clay and binders. Next we have 3 charcoal pencils in soft, medium and hard. Now let's figure out why there are 3 charcoal pencils and what's the difference between them. It's the texture of the pencil core that makes difference between them. Soft charcoal pencil contains a higher percentage of charcoal and this pencil is well suited for covering large areas with deep dark values. This is an example showing the usage of soft charcoal pencil. Okay, now let's move on to hard charcoal pencil. Hard charcoal pencil contains a less charcoal and more binder materials in its core. As you can see, the hard charcoal pencil is better suited for adding details such as beards, individual hair strands, and wrinkles. Finally, we have the medium charcoal pencil here. This pencil is versatile for adding both details and shading. The balanced hardness allows for smooth controlled shading as well. Here are some example drawings of using the medium charcoal pencil. Next we have a pencil holder. This is a really handy tool to have. You can add your short pencil stubs into this side or this side, so you don't have to struggle anymore to hold on to short pencil stubs. This is a cutter knife. We use this cutter knife to scrape charcoal and graphite sticks, so you can get easily charcoal or graphite powder. I'll show you how to do that. Don't use the stick like this. Don't try to draw lines like that because it won't blend well. You can see still the lines. Instead of doing that, scrape the stick like this. And once you get enough powder, you can blend it using a brush like this. Next we have paper stumps or blending stumps. Here we have 3 in different sizes. Let's see how we use these things. We use these paper stumps to blend pencil lines to get a smooth, seamless look. Now, doing a bit of blends makes your paper stump dirty. That's when we use a sandpaper block to clean the paper stump. Take the paper stump and rub it in the sandpaper block. In this way, you can remove the graphite powder on the tip. This is a plastic eraser. It provides a firm cleaning erasing surface. This is kneaded eraser. It's not like a usual eraser. This eraser can be shaped and molded into different forms. And also, this eraser has a soft texture that can be reused many times. You can see how easily we can mold this eraser into any kind of forms. Now let's see how to use this eraser. First, use your fingers to soften the eraser and mold it to the shape you want. Here I made a pointer. Now gently press the eraser onto the area you want to erase. Not like erasing with a normal eraser. Gently lift and pick up the graphite marks from the paper. Like this. Now I'll show you how I used the kneaded eraser in one of my drawings. Here I wanted to add highlights to the beard. And this is how I did it using the kneaded eraser. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have anything to say, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you all for watching this video.